Miguel having a shout out, welcome to Pure Stone Heart, and once again we will do another unboxing, guys. I'm so excited for this. Why? Because I've been searching this one for a long time and finally I got an organizer. So it arrives today on order online, and I want to check, guys, if what I order is the same as in the online. What I'm so excited. Okay, and then I'm so excited for the color of this one, guys. Oh, really? Wonderful, and seems that it arrives reality. One of my favorite color is the orange. So I love the color, guys. The texture. Briefcase. It's kind of like a briefcase, guys. And let me check. Wow, I'm so excited. See? And I don't know if how this one gonna be. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 organizers. And one layer only, guys. So, wow. 20. 20, and I don't know how to do this one. Maybe this one. Remove and put the watch. I don't know how this one will be. So this is a watch organizer. So the super love, guys, super love for the satisfied customer for the volume, for the quality. And the next video, guys, is I will add up this video on how I will arrange my watches here. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Thank you so much. Okay. Briefcase, guys, for my watch. Huh? Thank you so much, guys. And then I will add the next video on how I will arrange all my watches. Ito, guys, regalo to siya ng estudyante ko. Nung nag-graduate siya. Ayan. Ito, guys, regalo to ng kasama ko sa work. Ito, guys, binili ko talaga to.
Lalaki na dinadecrease eh.
Tsaka
Ayan,
ito
cute
guys,
yan.
super ano talaga to. Regalo to ng isang estudyante ko rin. Tapos abangan nyo kung saan itatapon ko to lahat. Ito din guys, ano, regalo din to. So, ito na yun guys. Ang relo. Ayan. Okay, watch collections. There you go. Ayan na guys yung mga watch collection natin, kulang pa. There you go.